So cryptocurrency trading has exploded in popularity largely due to the rise in value and popularity of cryptocurrencies themselves. And while it can be intimidating at first, getting started is what's important. It doesn't matter if you're starting with $100 or $1,000, just making the push to get started is what matters. Now, I've got 3 different apps I'm going to be recommending here: Coinbase, Uphold, and Crypto.com. And I got to say, I've been using Coinbase for a very long time. It's very beginner friendly. The downside on Coinbase is that the fees are pretty high here for trading. Now, they've got Coinbase Pro, which is the extended trading app for Coinbase. But, basically you've got over 100 plus coins on here. You can pull up charts, news, things like that. Like I said, it's great for beginners. Now, if you want to take things a step further, I love Uphold. They've been around for a while. They also have over 100 plus different cryptos that you could buy, sell, and trade. But they've recently started allowing staking rewards. We can get free interest just for holding on to certain coins. And they've really expanded on this, and I love that. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys want to check out any of these apps, I will throw some bonus and resource links in the description. Okay, last up, we've got Crypto.com, which is also awesome. The only downside to Crypto.com is that it's an app only, meaning if you ever want to log in on your computer, it's kind of hard to do that, and you're really not going to be able to trade so much as well. So, it's straight app, no desktop, laptop, etc. Okay, now that I've gone over some apps, I also wanted to recommend 8 coins I think are going to do good long term if you're looking for somewhere to start as well. So let's take a look at those. Okay, I'm also going to be breaking these coins down on coinmarketcap.com. And I wanted to start things off with one of my favorites, XRP. Okay, so XRP is a top 10 crypto. It's been that way for years. Currently, it's at 39 cents. It has a 19 billion market cap. Now, it's pretty crazy that this thing is back under 50 cents. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to happen. Now, it might go a little bit lower, in the next month or two, but eventually it's going to go back up, and we're going to get back over that dollar hump. And hopefully, we're going to start breaking those old all-time highs in the next year. Would be awesome. Now, I do believe in this coin long term. It's connected with Ripple. Ripple's made tons of partnerships worldwide. They're trying to change the way money is moved, from bank to bank. And honestly, guys, I just think it's a matter of time before XRP skyrockets. Realistically, anything under $1, I would be buying on XRP and just averaging in on it. Okay, next up, we're going to take a look at Polka Dot. Polka Dot is basically a software. It's an alternative to Ethereum. So if you don't own a lot of Ethereum, you might want to take a look at this coin. Currently, it's at $10. It's got a 10 billion market cap. The all-time high in this coin was just close to $50, somewhere around there. I think that this is a very easy, solid return coin, just holding it for the next 2, 3, 4 years. I think it's just going to continue to go upwards, and it's not going to skyrocket, but I think it's going to steadily go up. So I would add it to your portfolio. Okay, next up, we've got Chronos Crypto.com, CRO, whatever you want to call it. They, rebranded. Now, currently this coin is at 18 cents. It's got a 4.5 billion market cap. The reason I really like this coin is because, if you look at what the Binance coin's done, I think CRO is going to do the same thing. Crypto.com being the fastest growing crypto exchange in the world. Even though things are down right now, I think that this is easily 100 billion plus market cap crypto in the future. And it's available for staking rewards if you buy it on a few different exchanges. So you could actually earn some passive income with CRO. And honestly, guys, I just feel like it's a winner and a no-brainer in my opinion. Okay, next up, we're going to take a look at the Sandbox. So if you don't own a lot of metaverse cryptos, gaming cryptos, you might want to take a look at this one. Currently, it's rated around $1.30. It's got a 1.6 billion market cap. I would actually recommend looking at their website, looking at, what the project's doing. They are in the top, I believe they're still in the top 5 of all metaverse coins. I think this coin's going to do pretty good, right? I think this is probably a 10 billion plus market cap crypto. So you're getting a huge discount on it right now at, where it's at 1.6 billion with a price of, $1.38. Anything under $3, I would say in the Sandbox, averaging into it makes a lot of sense. And if you don't own it, take a look at it. Okay, next up, we're going to take a look at Decentraland. Now, the next couple of coins are going to be my metaverse coins that I really like. Decentraland sells virtual goods, virtual real estate. They're partnered with Atari. And honestly, guys, it's just wild. Literally, people are buying and selling virtual real estate, and they're trying to pave the way for that. Anyways, it's currently at around $1.456, 1.9 billion market cap. Now, this coin actually got up to around $5.50 before it came crashing down. But you know how it goes, guys. Things don't just keep going up, they crash. And with Bitcoin crashing, like I said, everything is just down across the board. But huge discount on Decentraland right now. Anything, under $2.50, $3, as long as you're averaging in on it, you'll do just fine. Okay, then we've got the Engine coin. Now, I absolutely love this one. I think this is where it's at right now. We're looking at a 20x return on this coin. It's got a 560 million market cap, right around 60 cents on the price. Now, my personal position on Engine, I'm down quite a bit. I think my average is like right around $2.20. I've got well over 10,000 coins of this, but I'm a long-term holder. I do believe that Engine's going to do some big things. Going into the future, they've got an NFT marketplace. They've been around since 2009, and they've just got staying power, but yeah, I mean, they've got some, things going on that I really like. Okay, next up, I threw Bitcoin Cash in on this because honestly, guys, hate it or love it, I think this coin could get you a really good return. Now, looking at it, it's gotten picked up by PayPal. It exists on a bunch of different networks. But $188, 3.5 billion market cap. Thing I understand about Bitcoin Cash is that it still has yet to break those old all-time highs around $4,000 a few years ago. I think it will get there again. It's got Bitcoin's name in it. It's got staying power, guys. It's been in the top 30 coins for a while, and maybe add some of it to your portfolio. Okay, last up, I wanted to talk about my risk it for the biscuit play. Now, this one, I will say, we don't know if it's going to be here in 2030, but if you wanted to, take a look at it, I'd recommend it. Now, I've looked into a lot of different metaverse coins.